Hello from the Ocean County Library. Today we are going to be doing a smoothie tutorial, and we're going to start off simple and do a strawberry banana smoothie. We would like to begin with to please have adult supervision while doing this smoothie because we are using a blender and other types of utensils that should have an adult present. So we're going to start with the ingredients. Strawberries, of course, make sure you wash these. A single banana, vanilla yogurt, some milk. Of course, we need our smoothie cup with our fun straw, our blender, the most important part, a plastic knife, so you can use a metal utensil, but we do suggest plastic, and again, adult supervision is best, and a spoon. So let's get started. All right, here we go. We are going to start with our banana. Just going to peel it back. And make sure you wash your hands before making a smoothie, obviously. Next, we're going to do the strawberries. So we're going to cut the tops off. And just because we are doing a strawberry banana smoothie does not mean you can't do other smoothies. You can use so many other fruits to come up with so many combinations. That's what really cool about smoothies is that the possibilities are endless. You can do blueberries, pineapple, mango. It all just tastes good. So we're using 5 strawberries, but again, you can use as little or as many as you want because it's your smoothie, and depending on how you want it to taste, you can use whatever ratio of ingredients you would like. All right. So next we are going to put our yogurt in. And with the yogurt, it doesn't have to be Greek yogurt specifically. It could be any kind of yogurt, or even those who have sensitivities or allergies. There are tons of options. There's oat milk yogurt now, there's almond milk yogurt, but for this we're using the vanilla Greek yogurt. Okay, and then next we're gonna do the milk. With this, you can put in, again, as little or as much as you want, though you are going to need enough to get it all to blend in here. And again, so many different kinds of milks. There's soy milk, oat milk, almond milk, regular milk. Like I said, smoothies are however you want them to be. So I usually pour the milk so it just about reaches the top of the ingredients. If it doesn't blend well, you can always add more liquid. All right, let's blend this up. All right, now that that's done blending, it looks like we have a pretty good consistency in here, which is good. Perfect. So now we are going to pour it into our fun cup with the straw and enjoy. That smoothie was super good. How was yours? So before I sign off, I'd like to take a quick moment to talk about some of these really cool books that we have. We have books on fruits and healthy eating, and in the library, in all of our libraries, we have tons of books on fruits and vegetables and healthy eating. If you come into any of the branches and talk to any of our staff, they can point out other books on this related topics, or you can give us a call and we can give you some information there. I hope you had a really good time making this smoothie. I know I did. Have a great day.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.